Greetings and welcome to Unispirical Muse, brought to you by One Spirical Love. And if you plan to learn optimal health and holistic nutrition, there is an avenue that is possible to obtain. My spirit creates the recipes, and I'm the conduit for cooking the food. So here today we have oatmeal loaded. We got raisins, cran raisins, dates, moringa, Corellia spirulinea, apple cinnamon immune boost tea. So all the dried herbs are edible, flowers and whatnot. Dried hibiscus flowers from the combo of green tea, combo hibiscus tea with honey. So these are the flowers that are left over. Lavender, chamomile, turmeric, flaxseed, chia seeds, ginseng, banana, sesame seed, oats, water, a little bit of salt, and honey. So here is the flaxseed, chia seeds, and sesame seeds mixed together. And then here's the honey. And then you got your hibiscus dried flowers. You got your lavender. You got the immune boost tea. You got the chamomile. And you got the turmeric. So you can Google any of these foods that I've put in this ingredient. Like, for example, sesame seeds. What are the vitamins and minerals of sesame seeds? And you got phosphorus, magnesium, iron, zinc, molybdenum, selenium, vitamin B1. And what is vitamin B1 good for? It is good for thiam. Vitamin B1 helps the body's cells change carbs into energy. So there you go. This is your morning breakfast, oatmeal loaded. And blessings to you from Reverend Lewis.